Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these simple flowers using DK weight yarn and a 3.5mm hook. You can make any size you want. Start with any multiple of 3. I've done 39 and now I'm going to work into the 6th chain from hook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and into the 6th I'm going to do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert into the chain going through 2 loops and do a double crochet. So this is my first double crochet, and now skip 2 stitches, go into the 3rd and do double crochet. So 1, 2 and into the 3rd I'm going to do another double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and go into the same chain and do double crochet. So skip 2 chains, go into the 3rd one, do double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet, and repeat this. Skip next 2 chains, 1 and 2, go into the 3rd one, yarn over, go into the 3rd and do double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, go into the same chain and double crochet. I'm going to repeat this pattern now. So I'm left with 3 chains. Skip 2, go into the last one and repeat the same, double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Now for the next round, chain 3, and chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Now I'm going to place 9 double crochet into the first chain 3 loop, so in this space, yarn over, insert and do 9 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you've got your 9 double crochet and chain 3, so you should have 10 totals counting the chain 3. Now I'm going to go into this space in between the 2 double crochet. So these are the 2 double crochet and I'm going to go into that space and do a single crochet. So insert the hook and do a single crochet into that space. Now into the next I'm going to repeat 10 double crochet. So yarn over, go into the chain 3 and do 10. After the 10 double crochet, again I'm going to do a single crochet in between these 2 double crochets. So insert the hook and do a single crochet, and it's just a repeat now on. So next 10 double crochet and then single crochet in between, then 10 single crochet in between and repeat. I'm into the last loop. This is the 5 chains that we skipped in the beginning, and now I'm going to do 10 into that one, 10 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Once you've done the 10 double crochet, insert into the same space and do a single crochet. That's it. And now I'm going to chain 1, cut the yarn, so leave little long tail behind. So I'm going to keep this much and cut it. Pull insert the yarn into a needle. So this is the tail that you left behind, and tie. So make a knot, and now I'm gonna fold the flower. So starting from this end, so what I'm going to do is, starting from this point, inserting into the last stitch like this, and now I'm going to go in the middle of all these chains like this, so all the way through, and pull. And now I'm going to go back and forth few times. So inserting from the other side, go all the way, and do it few times around. So now when you're in the middle, I brought the yarn into the middle of the flower, and now I'm going to insert and get it on top into the middle here to secure it further. And now I'm going to go back again, so insert it and pull, and now I'm going to tie it with the other end. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Hope you like this flower. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.